The answer to this question is B. Which relation is not a function? For something to be not a function, the same x value, this x value of -2 here, goes to different y values. So for a given -2 x value, we have two different y values. The output is the y value, the input is the x value. So for example, this graph here, if we were to have some -2x value, so we'll say this is the x value here, we have two different y values. So if there was a circle here, for example, you can see when x equals -2, we have a y value here, and we have a y value here. This relation fails the vertical line test. So if I draw a straight line down, it cuts through and hits more than once. Therefore, it's not considered a function. It is considered a relation, but it's not a function. Functions must only cross once for the vertical line test. As for choice A, we have different x values, and even though two different x values point to the same y value, that's okay. And let's draw an example of that. So let's take a look at choice A. Imagine we have a nice function here. We have we have -1 points to 8. So we'll just say this is -1, and at -1 we have this value of 8. So I'm just gonna say that this point exists here on the function, and we have the x value of 2. So over here, this is 2, we also have 8. And for example, if the function was like this, so here you can see that for the x value of -1, we have a y value of 8, and we have, for the x is 2, we have a y value of 8 as well. And this is legit because the vertical line test is passed here as well as here. The same thing goes for choice D. We have different x's all pointing to the same y value for the same reason as choice A. This is fine. Finally, choice C, 3 more than double a number. Double a number, if the number was to be x, would be 2x, and then 3 more than this would be 2x plus 3. If the original x value is 3, the y value would be 2x plus 3. This is a word problem converted to algebra. So the y value, this is y, this is x, would be 2x, which would be 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 3 is 9. Correct. So this is a valid function. So as for 5, we have y equals 2 times 5 would be 10, plus 3 is 13. So the function transforming the input values of x to the output value of y's is working properly, and it's corresponding to this sentence here.